Smart strategies for paying off debts faster. I know debt can feel like a huge weight on your shoulders, but with some strategic planning and discipline, you can make serious progress towards becoming debt-free. Let's start with the basics, knowing exactly how much debt you have. This might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people don't have a clear picture of what they owe. Make a list of all your debts with the principal balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each one. This gives you a starting point to work from. Next, assess your budget. Review your monthly income coming in versus expenses going out. Are there areas you can cut back on to free up more money to put towards debt? Even relatively small spending adjustments can make a difference over time. Try to find at least $50 to $100 or more that you can redirect towards extra debt payments each month. Now it's time to develop a debt payoff plan. There are two main approaches: the debt avalanche method and the debt snowball method. With the debt avalanche method, you focus on paying off debts in order of highest interest rate first. This saves the most money and interest over time. The debt snowball method has you pay off debts in order of smallest balance first. This gives you quick wins and can help keep you motivated. Choose the option that fits your personality and situation best. As part of your plan, make sure to keep making at least the minimum payments on all debts to avoid late fees and hits to your credit. Any extra you have budgeted for debt repayment goes towards the debt you're targeting first. Once that's paid off, roll that payment amount into paying off the next debt. This debt snowball effect really starts to pick up momentum as you make progress. Automating payments is an easy way to stay on track. Set up automatic withdrawals from your bank account so you don't have to manually make debt payments each month. You can modify the auto payment amount when you're ready to put extra towards a certain debt. Speaking of extra, any financial windfalls like a tax refund, work bonus, or gift money can be huge opportunities to chip away at debt faster. Even putting half of a $1,000 windfall towards debt makes a difference. Side hustles are another way I was able to generate extra income to accelerate debt payoff. Things like driving for a rideshare service, online tutoring, or picking up freelance writing gigs can allow you to earn money in your spare time. Every extra dollar goes straight to debt. Refinancing or consolidating debts at a lower interest rate saves money too. This works best for large debts like student loans or mortgages. Run the numbers to see if it makes sense for your situation. Debt management plans through a nonprofit credit counseling agency can also negotiate lower interest rates on debts. For credit card debt in particular, consider doing a balance transfer to a 0% APR card. This gives you over a year in most cases to pay down that balance without accumulating more interest. Just be sure to have a plan to pay off the card before the 0% promotional period ends to avoid getting charged deferred interest. Let's talk motivation and accountability. Share your debt payoff journey with supportive friends or family. Maybe even form a money challenge group to stay focused. I posted repayment progress pics on my refrigerator as a visual reminder. Celebrating milestones along the way keeps you encouraged that the hard work is paying off. Sticking to your debt payoff plan isn't always easy, especially when unexpected expenses pop up. That's when you have to make tough spending trade-offs. To keep making progress, remind yourself it will all be worth it in the end. Staying disciplined now helps build healthy financial habits that will benefit your life. No matter how deep in debt you may feel, just know that with focus and commitment, you can work your way out of it. Implementing even just a few of these smart strategies at a time will put you on the path towards freedom from debt sooner than you can think. Here's to lighter financial burdens and a peace of mind from achieving debt-free status. You've got this. Now let's go a bit deeper on some of the key strategies. Cut expenses. Take a hard look at your budget and spending habits to identify areas to cut back. Things like dining out, subscription, shopping expenses, and entertainment can often be reduced. Meal planning, limiting grocery trips, downsizing your cable package, and utilizing free activities more can keep more money in your pocket. Every dollar saved is another dollar you can put towards debt. Increase income. Building up your income helps accelerate debt payoff. Can you pick up overtime hours or seasonal work? Ask for a raise at your current job? Develop skills to open up higher paying job opportunities. The more you're able to bring in, the faster you can tackle debt. Sell unused possessions. Go through your home and belongings for anything you can realistically sell for extra cash. Unused electronics, furniture, jewelry, sports equipment, or collectibles may have decent resale value. Take advantage of online selling platforms to get items in front of buyers. Use proceeds to chip away at debts. Negotiate rates. Contact creditors and service providers to negotiate for better rates. Especially if you've been a long-time loyal customer, many companies are willing to work with you. See if you can lower your interest rates, monthly payments, or fees. Every bit of savings helps. Paying twice monthly. Making smaller, more frequent debt payments versus one lump monthly payment saves interest over time. Set up a bi-weekly auto payment schedule instead of monthly to achieve this effect. The simple act of making 26 half payments rather than 12 full payments each year results in 1 extra month's worth of payments per year. Automate and funnel. Set up your finances so money flows into debt repayment without much hands-on effort. Have a portion of your paycheck direct deposited into a separate savings account earmarked for debt repayment. Use autopay for recurring bills so you don't risk missing payments. Limit everyday spending to a set budgeted amount, loaded onto a prepaid debit card. Financial automation keeps the momentum going. Reward progress. As you hit debt repayment milestones, be sure to reward yourself in small, affordable ways to stay motivated. Maybe it's a modest dinner out after paying off your smallest debt, or a movie night after clearing a credit card. Positive reinforcement for your hard work keeps you on track. Involve others. Share your debt payoff journey with close friends or family members for encouragement and accountability. Make it a friendly competition by comparing progress and seeing who can clear their debts first. Having cheerleaders by your side makes the progress more fun and engaging. These are just some of the many techniques and strategies that can move the needle when it comes to getting out of debt faster. Start with methods that fit your circumstances and personality best, and expand from there. Small, consistent efforts really do pay off over time. Stay committed to the process, and you'll cross that debt-free finish line sooner than you may have ever imagined possible. The road to financial freedom from debt may be challenging at times, but just focus on how rewarding it will feel when you come out on the other side. Implement a smart plan, lean on others for support, and chip away at it steadily. You've totally got the ability to take control of your debt situation. Here's to paying off debt faster and achieving peace of mind.